Let's make a pillow! For this project, you'll need 1 Minky Fat Quarter of Sarah Knight's Tooth Fairy Cut and Sew Pillow Project, a sewing machine, fabric scissors, a point turner, fiber fill or fabric scraps, and a hand needle. Step 1. Cut out the front and back pillow pieces and the tooth pocket from your fat quarter. Pro tip, cut out the extra mouse and stitch it onto a pair of PJs. Step 2. Pin the tooth pocket to the front of the pillow, lining up the tooth on the pillow front with the tooth you just cut out. Step 3. Top stitch the tooth pocket to the front pillow piece, making sure to leave the top portion of the tooth unstitched to create a pocket. Step 4. With right sides facing, pin together the front and back pillow pieces. Step 5. Stitch all 4 sides of the pillow with a 1/2 inch to 5/8 inch seam allowance, making sure to leave a 2 to 3 inch opening on one side. Trim the seam allowance and clip the curves. Step 6. Flip the pillow right side out and push out the corners with a chopstick or point turner. Step 7. Fill the pillow with fiber fill or fabric scraps to your preferred firmness. To close the unstitched hole, hand stitch using a ladder stitch or your preferred stitch of choice. Place your tooth in the pocket and keep your fingers crossed that the Tooth Fairy makes a visit tonight.